In the last video, we saw how to create a spring joint. Today, we're gonna learn how to create a hinge joint in Unity. Now, let's go ahead and create the cube. Let's scale it a little bit and let's add a rigid body component to it. Now, our door is ready. Let's add a hinge joint component. Under the hinge joint setting, we can find a motor parameter, target velocity, which adjusts the overall speed of the object. We're gonna add enough force to allow the door to move on its own. Let's add 100 on the target velocity, and under the force let's add 100 as well. Now if we hit the play button, we're gonna see our object rotating on its own. Now let's create a new cube and let's add a new rigid body component. Now let's try to place our new cube in the way of our door. You will notice that the door is blocked, but it's still trying to push the cube. Now let's set the target velocity and force to 0. Let's hit the play button, then try to push the door. You will notice that our door is pushing the cube. Using the hinge joint, you can make bridge gates, doors that spin around an axis you can choose, and we can fix the limits also. Now if I hit the play button, you will notice that the door is spinning while it's under -19, then it stops. We can even add some bounciness to this. Let's try to change the mean and max values to 0 and 90. Now if we hit the play button, you will notice that our door is bouncing a little bit before stopping. If we give a much bigger value like 1 as a bounciness, the door will keep moving. Now we know how to set up our fixed joints, how to use the spring joints, and we know the different uses of the hinge joint. On the next clip, we're gonna focus on configurable joints. Thanks for being part of our course.